Good day to the distinguished members of the faculty, my fellow students and guests. My name is John Guilford Emana, a civil engineering student from Colegio de Muntinlupa. Today, I am honored to present the culmination of my on-the-job training at Valicon Construction Inc. Before detailing my OJT, here's an overview of today's presentation structured into four segments. Company profile overview of Valicon Construction Incorporation operations. OJT activities, discussion of specific project I participated in. Skills development, technical and soft skills gained during my training. Conclusion, general summary and recommendations for improving the internship program. Let's start with the company that hosted my training. Valicon Construction began as a sole proprietorship in 2015 and became a corporation in 2018. Founded by skilled engineers, it initially focused on consultancy services like cost estimating and project management. Over time, it evolved into a full design and build company, now offering a variety of services including building design construction, interior fit-outs, and renovations, all aimed at creating spaces that align with clients' lifestyles. Balikan aims to the contractor of choice for residential, commercial, and interior fit-outs projects, starting in Metro Manila and expanding regionally. During my training, I witnessed their dedication to quality and client satisfaction, motivating me to uphold professional standards in my task to enhance their reputation as a top design and build firm. The company's mission focuses on five core pillars: reliability, people, customers, partners, and the environment. And during my OJT, I was impressed by their dedication to green architecture and product recycling, as well as their commitment to delivering clients' dream home on time. This experience taught me that successful projects involve not only structural integrity but also ethical responsibility toward the environment and community. Balikan's core values focus on accountability and continuous learning, highlighting the importance of working smart to deliver quality projects on time and within the budget. A key value is their commitment to being accountable for results, emphasizing the significance of final output and safety in engineering. These principles are reflected in their projects, including interior fit-outs. Balicon's Balicon's mission is supported by two main pillars: engineering and administration. Engineering provides tools and technical supports for efficient project execution, translating planning into client value. Administration focuses on human capital, financial stability, and market growth, highlighting the need for HR, finance, and business development to work together for project success. Valicon Construction Incorporation provides an end-to-end service suite divided into four main categories. One, conceptual design offers 3D perspectives and complete architectural plans. Two, design and build manages loan, documentation, permits, construction, and warranties. Three, interior fit-outs and renovations focuses on remodeling and interior designs tailored to clients. 4. Construction estimate and management, delivering detailed bill of materials and quantity surveying throughout the project. This comprehensive approach illustrates the progression from 3D renderings to a fully managed construction site. Balicon operates under a structured hierarchy led by the Board of Directors and President Engineer Candido M. Villanueva, divided into three branches. Business support manages sales, administration, and accounting. Two, design and construction. Core technical team, including design director, project architect, and site foreman, overseeing skilled workers. Three, partners and consultants. Specialized engineers ensuring project compliance with technical codes. And during my training, I focuses on design and construction team, witnessing the collaboration that transforms architectural visions into structural reality. Having established the framework of Valicon Construction Incorporation, I will now detail my on-the-job training activities. My first week at Valicon involves a steep learning curve in professionalism. On June 9th, we learned the importance of punctuality when reprimanded by President Engineer Randy Villanueva for arriving late. I became the business assistant to the president using PlanSwift software for quantity takeoffs and cost estimation. I also reviewed liquidation check documents and identified two pricing errors. By midweek, I conducted site visits at Nobelo and De Guzman residence, which motivated me by balancing office work with real-world inspections. During my second week, I experienced both pre and post construction phases, gaining insight into the project life cycle from permits to handover. My key responsibilities included managing building and occupancy permits for project in Cavite and Calamba, learning to navigate local regulations. I assisted in processing construction fees for the Gabriel residence and applied my quantity surveying skills using Excel to estimate materials. Additionally, I visited Wilcon Depot for procurement, analyzing material stocks and securing quotations for hardware for the Nobelo residents. This week highlighted the importance of material availability and cost tracking for project scheduling and budgeting. By third week, my responsibilities grew as a balance my roles as a business assistant and site engineer. Key tasks included obtaining the fencing permit for the Gabriel residence, learning about mandatory documentary stamps for notarized documents, and setting up the Outlook business account for better client communication. A significant challenge was independently submitting sign plans to the Amayscapes project engineer, highlighting the importance of coordination in engineering. The week ended with a site inspection at Nobelo and De Guzman residence, where I applied my electrical background to assess electrical installations. In the fourth week of Gabriel residence project, the focus shifted to implementation, requiring intense coordination between the office and the construction site. Manage client encoding and contact monitoring using Excel to maintain the project pipeline. He hired a team of one foreman and two skilled workers processing their documentary requirements for legal clearance. Learned the construction cannot start without workforce legal clearances, even with approved blueprints. Finalized drywall estimates to prepare for the start of interior works the following week. During the fifth week of the Gabriel residence project, we entered the site mobilization phase, which provided significant real-world engineering experience amid unexpected challenges. I was responsible for the second floor partition works, preparing material estimates and purchase request slips while ensuring our blueprints matched the site conditions. We encountered three major issues: a permitting error due to the wrong form at City Hall, personnel delays from pending clearances, a stolen electric meter that halted power dependent work. Despite these setbacks, we continued with site clearing and layouting, reinforcing the importance of problem solving and maintaining progress as an engineer. Week 6 as the site engineer for the Gabriel residence involved a significant shift from paperwork to tangible projects. Tangible progress. I independently secured the fencing permit and coordinated final requirements with the HOA while managing equipment maintenance to minimize downtime. The week marked the official start of interior construction, overseeing the installation of tubular framing, metal stud braces, and fiber cement board partitions. A crucial learning moment arose when I was corrected for not preparing stair railings estimates, emphasizing the need for foresight and initiative in engineering. This experience reinforced the importance of balancing technical execution with anticipating future phases. During my final week at Valicon, I focused on completing technical deliverables and project handovers. A key achievement was mastering a multi-software workflow for quantity takeoffs and cost estimation using AutoCAD, PlanSwift, and Excel for the Gabriel Residence project. On my last day, I identified a critical safety violation at an abandoned site, highlighting the importance of safety in engineering. Reflecting on my internship, I realized it has significantly prepared me for my engineering career ahead. The true value of my experience at Valicon is the competencies I developed, categorized into technical skills and soft skills. Reflecting on my 300-hour internship at Valicon, I appreciated the experience that exceeded a typical trainee role. I was entrusted with responsibilities of site engineer and business assistant, guided by my boss and Sir Pat. My technical growth was based on three pillars: software proficiency, advanced from basic knowledge to expertise in AutoCAD and PlanSwift; client management, handled leads and project scheduling via Meta Business Suite, gaining business insight; on-site practice, applied theory by performing precision layout for complex structure using advanced tools. These experiences sharpened my technical skills and boosted my confidence as I prepared to enter the industry. My internship in construction management taught me that project success relies heavily on people, not just technical tools. Key, les- Key lessons included interpersonal skills. Effective communication between the office and field is crucial, requiring trust with workers to resolve conflicts. Management skills. Understanding the pre-construction phase is essential, as careful handling of permits and legal documents is necessary for progress. Proactive leadership: a successful site engineer anticipates challenges and takes initiative rather than just reacting to problems. Overall, my experience at Balicon highlighted the importance of active management in leadership. To conclude my presentation, I will reflect on my 300-hour journey with Balicon Construction Corporation. My 300 hours at Balicon were transformative, bridging classroom theory with the construction industry's reality. I learned that engineering involves resourcefulness, adaptability, and leadership, not just design. My focus on construction management and quantity surveying was invaluable, as effective cost management is key to success. For recommendations for the program, for the program, extend immersion to see project from start to finish. For Valicon, provide interns with exposure to structural design tasks for practical application. This experience has equipped me with a strong foundation as I leave Valicon as an aspiring engineer, ready for future challenges. Thank you to my mentors and professors for this opportunity. That includes my OJT experience presentation. I hope it was insightful. Feel free to ask any questions or request more information about my projects in the comments, and I'll gladly respond. Thank you all for watching.